How to set up your Uber driver profile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Uber driver application on your device and make sure you are logged in. And if not, then go ahead and log yourself in. You can simply log in using your email address. Once logged in, you will be asked, where would you like to earn from? So go ahead and select the state or the city, and if you have a referral code, then you can go ahead and enter that too. Now tap on next. You will then be asked to choose how you would want to earn with Uber from the provided options. You can earn with rides and delivery with car, or rides with car, or delivery with car, or delivery with scooter. Simply choose the best suited option for you and tap on continue. You will then be asked to select if you have a qualified vehicle or not and tap on continue. Further, select when do you plan to start earning with Uber and tap on continue again. You will then be asked to review a form. So do that and tap on the agree button, and further you will be asked to enter your social security number. So go ahead and enter your social security number and tap on the I agree and acknowledge button, and further follow the on-screen prompts in order to complete the setup process. And this is how you can set up your Uber driver profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.